Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to hide your story from someone in TikTok. So let's get started. At first let's get into the TikTok app. So here it is. Now click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now you can see the story I have shared. Now click on it and you can see the three dots in the right. So let's click on it. Now you can see the settings option here. So let's click on the setting icon. And here you can see that there is everyone, friends or only me. If you are clicking on only me, that means only you can see your post and it is hidden from all your friends and anyone else. But if you want to actually hide it from someone specific, you can do nothing in the setting, but you can simply go to that profile and click on it and block them. To block, you can simply go to the profile, click on this right arrow in the top right corner and click on this block icon over here. Now click on block. So these are the options how you can block or hide your TikTok story from someone in TikTok. So that was all for this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.